Washington DC. Washington DC is
मैं तो
capital
वही
of.
बोलने वाला था।
Yeah, ठीक है. What is capital of United States of America, Vihan?
Washington DC.
Washington DC. Very good. Now, Vihani, this is question for you. What language is spoken in United States?
English.
Very good, Vihan. That was amazing. And what is the currency of United States of America?
Currency of United States, US dollar.
Very good. So San Francisco has how many words in it?
San Francisco, how many words?
Two words.
S.
Two words, right?
SF.
That is, it is commonly known as SF, right? Then San Francisco is commonly known as?
Known as what?
जैसे you are known as Chotu, Dakshu, and Vihan, no? So San Francisco is also known by another name. What is that?
Francisco.
SF, SF.
SF.
SF, yes.
वही बोला था मैं।
What bridge is there in that?
Golden Gate Bridge.
Wow, Vihani, that was awesome. You did a good job. And house. Okay, good job. Now, Vihan, you're not listening or what? Opera House, right? Sydney is in which country?
Sydney. Opera House.
Which country?
Which country?
Australia, Vihan.
Yeah.
Capital of Australia? Capital of Australia to go.
Capital of Australia.
Canberra.
Canberra. एकदम कैडबेरी
Which language is spoken in Australia?
Australia. English.
Very good. What is the currency of Australia?
What is the currency of Australia? American dollar.
Australia currency. Australian dollar.
Australian dollar.
Okay, now what is the famous bridge name? What is the name of the bridge in Sydney?
Opera House.
Opera House is not bridge, no? It's a place where opera is done. Harbour Bridge. Harbour Bridge. What is it?
Harbour Bridge.
Harbour Bridge. Right. Then this completes our Australia. Right, Sydney one. Skyscrapers. क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Skyscrapers.
And
Monies.
Shanghai is in which country?
Shanghai. Which country? Chennai.
China. Chennai nahi, Dumbo. Chennai is a city in India. Capital of China? Dugu?
Capital of China.
Beijing. How many times I tell you? What language is spoken in China, Vihan?
Beijing.
What language is spoken in China? Mandarin.
Mandarin.
And what are the colors in the flag of China, Vihan?
Red. Yellow. Yellow. Yellow.
Red and yellow, that's it. Okay. Now we'll go
Sheesh Mahal.
Sheesh Mahal. Vihan, you also agree with that? It's famous for Sheesh Mahal?
Sheesh Mahal.
Yes. What is capital of Pakistan, Vihan?
Pakistan. Sheesh Mahal.
Capital.
Capital.
Dugu, capital.
Capital. Islamabad.
Islamabad. Islamabad. बोलो क्या है?
इस्लामाबाद.
ओके
वही बोलना चाह रहे थे मैं ठीक से बोल नहीं पाया.
ठीक है. Now tell me what is the language mostly spoken in Pakistan?
English.
हिंदी ना, पाकिस्तान में हिंदी.
Pakistani rupees
currency, right? Which is the second largest city in the Pakistan?
Second
Largest
city. Islamabad.
Islamabad. No. लाहौर ना, लाहौर के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं ना.
लाहौर.
I'll start by going over our quiz score. No, we'll go over the quiz, right? So I'll ask five questions to each one of you, right? And each question will have multiple options, right? So for example, if you see there, what is capital of United States of America, right? So you have four options and you have to select the correct option, right? And since Vihan cannot read words, so I'll read the options out to him and he has to select the correct. Yeah, you know, I know. So you have to select the correct, like you have to tell me the correct option, right? And you have two lifeline. So out of these five questions, right, you have two lifeline, wherein you can ask your expert, right, who is your mom or dad, Anya, and same thing for Naman and Vihan, right? They can ask their mom and dad if you don't know the answer, right? So and then you'll get three times to guess the correct answer, right? So if your first option is right, once you first answer is right, then you get 10 points. Then you get another trial, right? If you answer the question right in the second trial, then you'll get 5 points. And if you answer the question in third trial, then you'll get 2 points.
What?
So you'll get three trials, right, to answer a question. Got it? Okay, so in the first trial, if you get it right, then you'll get 10 points. If you get it right in the second trial, then you'll get 5 points. If you get it right in the third trial, then you'll get 2 points. Am I clear? You got it, Anya?
Yeah.
Okay. So I just want to make sure that you get points, right? So that's the reason we are doing the trial, right? Okay. So the first question goes to Anya, right? So what is the capital of United States of America?
Washington D.C.
And Anya is absolutely right. Let me pull out the scoreboard. Anya, you have done an amazing job there. So let me add scores. Anya gets 10 points. Then we can go over the second question. And this is for Dugu. Where is Gateway of India?
Gateway of India.
And your options are Jaipur, Tokyo, New Delhi, Mumbai.
Mumbai.
And you're right. So you also get 10 points. You should not answer Vihan. Okay, now Vihan, see the photo here. Are you able to see the photo? No? One minute. Let me share. I'm not sharing. Okay. Sorry about this glitch. So now you're able to see Vihan?
Yes.
Okay. So you have to tell me, where is this monument located?
Huh?
Where is this monument, right? You see on the screen,
Yes.
right? This one.
London.
Wait, you need not. You stay in wherever you are there, Naman. So the options are London, Sydney, Shanghai, Moscow.
Moscow. Wrong.
Wrong. And you can use your lifeline, right? If you don't know, you can ask.
Mama, Papa.
Yeah, you can try again. So the correct answer is Sydney. I am helping you. So you have used one lifeline. So you will get 5 points only, okay? So after the first round, we have Anya 10, Dubbu 10, and Dakshu 5. Right, now we'll go and to the second question. So let me open this up. And Anya, this is a question for you. Can you identify which country this flag belongs to? Your options are Russia, United States of America, China, United Kingdom. You can take help of if you don't know the answer, you can take help of your mummy or papa, or you can answer.
And you can have Is it Russia?
Yeah, that's a right
Russia.
answer.
Russia.
This is Russia. Yeah, and Anya gets 10 points. And did you use the lifeline? I did not hear. Did you use the lifeline or you answered it yourself? Hmm? Oh, you answered yourself? Oh, good job. Then we'll go to the next question. And this is for Naman. And it's an easy question. What is capital of India?
Capital of India.
Hmm.
New Delhi.
Okay, that's a right answer. I think so. Vihan is getting difficult questions. I have to do something so that he gets easy questions.
Wait a minute, he went to the toilet.
Vihan, again you get a monument question. Identify that monument.
Yeah.
Identify where the below monument is located. It's a very beautiful.
Chennai.
No. You can ask me or you can ask Mama. Or you can ask Duggu also. He'll also help you. Come fast. Mama won't know this, I think so. Come. Huh? This is your second lifeline. You have lost your second lifeline. The correct answer is Moscow.
Third, मैं भी help करूँगा ना.
So sorry, Duggu. Vihan, you're getting difficult ones.
Moscow. मैं तुम्हारे चार्जेस को ही फाड़ दूँगा.
Okay, no. So everybody gets 10 points. And Vihan has used 2 lifelines. And Duggu and Anya has not used any lifelines as of now. Now the next one I'll go and ask Vihan, right? Vihan, because Anya has got flag question earlier, so I'm going to Vihan. Vihan, identify the flag no, this one is for Duggu. Duggu, which country this flag belongs to?
Which country this flag belongs to?
Yeah.
China.
You are absolutely right. You get 10 points. Oh, you knew this? Oh, so sorry. I thought you did not know that. Okay. Now, Vihan, the next question is, where is Golden Gate Bridge? If you answer this, and options are Los Angeles, no, Vihan, Duggu. Los Angeles, Sydney, London, San Francisco.
Francisco.
San Francisco. And you're right. You get 10 points. Anya. Oh, I have not put the photo of White House there. Oh, so sorry. I don't know. So, Anya, a question like I'll twist the question. Where is White House located?
Washington, D.C.
You're absolutely right. Everybody gets 10 points in this round.
अभी तक एक भी नहीं यूज किया लाइफलाइन. तुम्हारा लाइफलाइन पूरा खत्म हो गया.
Okay. Now we'll go to Duggu again. No, you had got the country one, no? Now with Vihan. Vihan, identify the flag. It belongs to
America.
Yes, you're right. Vihan is absolutely right. So Vihan gets 10 points. And Anya, next question is for you. What is the capital of United Kingdom?
London.
You are absolutely right. Anya gets 10 points. Yeah, I have repeated the question, okay? Dugu, what is capital of Maharashtra?
Maharashtra. Uh,
Options. See
Mumbai.
the options, right?
Mumbai.
Mumbai, yes, right. So this is for Vihan. China is located in which continent?
China located in which continent? Papa. Like
You are taking lot.
lie.
Huh? No, the options are
तो मेरे से-
North America. No lifeline now. North America, Europe, Africa, Asia.
Asia.
Asia, very good. Oh my God, that was amazing. Now, Anya, question for you. United Kingdom is in which continent? North America, Europe, Africa, Asia.
Ask me to use our lifeline. Which
You
one?
can use lifeline.
Lifeline.
So, United Kingdom is
मच्छर मार मच्छर था
not in Asia because it's not near to India. Not in Africa. So, and not North America. North America नहीं है. You say Europe.
Yes, you get 10 points. Good job, Anya. Now we'll go to Naman, and the last question is, where is United States of America located? North America, Europe, Africa, Asia.
Located.
Yeah, which continent it is in? United States of America.
Asia.
United States of America. You can use lifeline.
Lifeline.
You have not used lifeline. If you want, you can use. It's North America, right? Simple. It was United States.
हम दोनों
So Anya is leading the scores.
पापा
She got
हैं वो भी
10
टीवी
points. No, but you used it later, no? You should have been smart. Dungu gets 5 points. And Vihan gets 10 points.
पापा हम दोनों का करना है
And score is taking some time. Wait.
छोटू का 30 कैसे
He answered all of them, no?
मैंने
No?
यहाँ तो 10 है ना अभी फिर से दो बैक हो गया बहुत ज्यादा मेरा फिर से कितना 10 हो गया ना
Oh my God, why it is taking so much time? Okay. So the final score is Anya 40, Duggu 35, Dakshu 35. So we had 4 questions. Anya, good job. You win the quiz competition.
मुझे एक और करना है करेगा
Okay, so this is the last one I'll do. The 5th question, right? So,
do one more round
okay, yeah, one more round. I had told 5 questions, right? I have to make up a question now. I'm not prepared. Okay, so we'll do. Okay, so I'll give you city names. You have to tell me which country it is located, right? Is that good enough?
okay
Got it. Okay. So Anya, where is Shanghai located? You have one lifeline, so you can use it. And if you want options, I can give you options also.
मम्मा पढ़ा देती ना संजय बोलो.
I need some options
You need options? Yeah, so I'll give you options. So the options are United Kingdom, right? United States of America, China, Japan.
Japan
No. You can use you have one lifeline left.
Shanghai is the largest capital of which country? Largest city of which country? Shanghai.
Oh yeah, Shanghai.
Shanghai सिटी का नाम है. Oh yeah, Shanghai. ऑप्शन क्या कहते हैं? चाइना, यूरोप, एशिया, नॉर्थ अमेरिका. नहीं. मैं तो
China. The options were United States of America, United Kingdom, China, Japan.
China.
Yes, you're right. You got it in second trial, so you'll get how many points? 5 points. Now, Naman, for you. Where is London?
Where is London located?
Yes. You want
United
option?
Kingdom.
Yes, you're right. And Vihan, for you, easy one. I'll give. What is the easy one?
Where is Mumbai located?
Okay, you can answer that. Where is Mumbai located? Which country?
In which country? India.
Oh my god, you're right. So everybody, I think Anya gets 5 points here. And everybody gets 10-10. So it's ended in a draw, which is what I wanted. So that nobody feels bad. So everybody is a winner. So our final score is Anya 45, Duggu 45, and Dakshu 45. And all of you are winners. So all of you answered all 5 questions, but only one question, right? You took second trial, which is a good thing. Good job, all of you.